Ever found yourself chasing pickleballs across the court instead of playing? Or maybe you're struggling with a paddle that just doesn't grip like it used to. Or you're tired of bending over to pick up dozens of balls after every game. Pickleball is supposed to be fun, but without the right gear, it can quickly become frustrating. That's why I tested the top pickleball gear and accessories on Amazon to find the ones that make playing easier, more comfortable, and way more enjoyable. From stylish paddle bags to pro-level paddles, ball retrievers, paddle cleaners, and official tournament balls, these accessories are total game changers for players of every level. Check the links below for the best prices, and let's dive into the top picks. Music fades in. First up, for those who want to carry their gear in style without sacrificing functionality, we have the pickleball bags for women lightweight crossbody and stylish quilted pickleball paddle sling bag backpack. This bag proves that pickleball gear can be both practical and fashionable. It's designed as a lightweight crossbody sling bag that comfortably holds 1 or 2 paddles, plus balls, phone, keys, and other essentials. The quilted design adds a touch of elegance, while the adjustable strap ensures a comfortable fit for players of all sizes. It's perfect for heading to the courts for a quick game or for traveling to tournaments. For the female player who wants a bag that looks as good as she plays, this stylish sling bag offers the perfect blend of form and function. Next, we have an all-in-one solution for beginners and families looking to get started without buying everything separately. The JoncAye Pickleball Paddles Set. This USAPA-approved set includes either 2 or 4 fiberglass rackets, making it perfect for singles or doubles play. Each paddle is lightweight and designed for excellent control and power, suitable for beginners and intermediate players alike. The set comes complete with outdoor and indoor balls, a carrying bag, and even overgrips for customized comfort. For families wanting to play together, or for anyone just getting into the sport, this comprehensive set removes the guesswork of buying individual pieces, offering everything you need to hit the court immediately. Now, let's talk about one of the most annoying parts of pickleball practice: picking up dozens of scattered balls. The 17 balls pickleball ball retriever and ball holder storage solves this problem brilliantly. This simple but genius accessory is a tube-style ball retriever that quickly scoops up balls from the court without bending over. It holds up to 17 balls at once and comes with a strap for easy carrying. Whether you're practicing serves, doing drills, or just cleaning up after a session, this retriever saves your back and your time. For coaches, serious players, or anyone who practices frequently, this ball retriever is an absolute must-have accessory that pays for itself in saved effort. For those who want to keep their paddles in peak condition, we have the Professor Pickleball Carbon Cleaner. This premium paddle eraser is specifically designed for raw carbon fiber paddles, which can lose their grip over time as ball residue builds up on the surface. This cleaner quickly and effectively removes ball residue, dirt, and even light scratches, restoring your paddle's spin and control. It's easy to use. Just rub it over the paddle face, and the residue lifts away. For serious players who have invested in a high-quality carbon fiber paddle, this cleaner is essential maintenance that extends the life and performance of your most important piece of equipment. Now, let's talk about the balls themselves. The Franklin Sports X40 outdoor pickleballs are the official ball of USA Pickleball, the APP Tour, and the US Open. That's serious pedigree. These balls are regulation size and weight, featuring 40 precision-drilled holes for consistent flight and bounce on outdoor courts. They're durable enough for extended play, but still offer excellent visibility and feel. For competitive players or anyone who wants to practice with the same ball used in professional tournaments, the Franklin X40 is the gold standard for outdoor pickleball. Finally, we have another top-tier ball option from a premium brand, the Selkirk Sport Pro S1 ball. Selkirk is known for producing high-quality pickleball equipment, and the Pro S1 ball lives up to that reputation. It features a crack-resistant 38-hole design optimized for outdoor play, offering advanced aerodynamics for consistent flight and predictable bounce. It's USAPA approved for tournament play, making it a favorite among competitive players. The construction is durable, lasting longer than many standard balls without cracking or deforming. For players who demand the best performance and durability from their pickleballs, the Selkirk Pro S1 is a top choice. From stylish and functional sling bags to complete paddle sets for beginners, back-saving ball retrievers, paddle cleaning tools, and official tournament quality balls, these 6 pickleball accessories will elevate your game and make every session more enjoyable. Think about what frustrates you most on the court. Is it carrying your gear, picking up balls, maintaining your paddle, or just having reliable, consistent balls to play with? One of these products is the solution. Click the links below to find the best deal on the one that's right for you. Thanks for watching, and see you on the courts.